So the dish we're gonna make today is a Colorado striped bass with some summer ingredients that we were prepping before, some orange, some apple, and some chive blossom. So this is how we make a little dish for our striped bass. It's an apple oroshi. This grater they call oroshigane. Basically just gives it a nice texture, like some of the peel for the color in there. Apple's nice to use in the summertime because it gives everything a little like kind of sharp flavor. Even if you grate it like this, you don't have to have the big pieces. Little fresh yuzu juice gives it a little more tang and it'll keep the color. And then we use it kind of just like a daikon topping. So another nice summer ingredient we like to use is any citrus. Oranges are really nice, so we always like to change up textures. Sometimes it's fun to supreme oranges, but then there's other little ways that you can almost make people not realize why they like a dish or a familiar ingredient so much, because you just mess with the style of it. So with oranges, I like to take a little cube for them. And this way it adds a texture that when they bite in, they get a little bit more kind of pop out of each piece. Garnishing dish with real simple summer ingredients like the little apple and yuzu together with orange just keeps it very summery. Almost tastes more like a dish you would only want to have in the summer. These are chive blossoms that we use. Have a nice faint taste to them. Nice little garnish. So these dishes I always find the thinness of each slice really does well with all the textures that are going to go with it. I like to start with 4 pieces. Do them nice and even. So striped bass with any whitefish takes really well to citrus. So for this one, we're going to use just a little ponzu, just enough, because there's a lot of flavor with the toppings we're going to use. First, a little of the ground apple with the yuzu. A little bit of the oranges. I like putting a little sesame for a little crunch. Fresh ginger. Give it a little tang. Chive blossom. Just a little onion flavor. And just those together make for a really tasty, simple little dish. So again, whitefish is always a great starter dish. Nice and light, clean, good summer flavors. Here you are, sir.
Thank you. Not really.
Not acting.
Not acting.